Financial statements of manufacturing businesses. Manufacturing business. A business that produces or manufactures goods, i.e. car/cloth manufacturer. Manufacturing account. Manufacturing businesses prepare manufacturing account as part of their internal financial statements. A manufacturing account shows the costs of running and maintaining the factory in which a final product is made. A manufacturing business will also trade by selling its finished goods to wholesalers or retailers, so it will prepare a trading account in its income statement as well as manufacturing account. Types of inventory in manufacturing business. There are 3 types of inventory in manufacturing business. Raw materials, main component of finished foods, wood for furniture. Work in progress, value of semi-finished goods or incomplete goods. Finished goods, end product. Note: all 3 types of closing inventory will appear as current assets in the statement of financial position.